Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the stock shifter on E39 540i without spending a lot of money. The only other part other than stock you will need this shifter from earlier 96 328i manual. Reason is because they changed this ball to plastic one in 98 I believe. So you need to get this used for cheap. There's plenty of them out there. It is from E36 1996 328i manual. Then what I did, I installed stock bushings right here, and I coated the bushings with the ultra gray silicone because these move. They have slight movement when installed new. Then on the rear bushing, on the rear stock bushing, I loaded it up with goop. I used this product before and it stands out. It's like a rubber. When it dries out, it's like a rubber and it'll withstand temperature and everything. So basically we're just stiffening this up a little bit. Reducing the play here, reducing the play here. Obviously new bushings gonna go on here. So there's a slight play between this shaft and the upper body right here because there's rubber inside. And how I reduced that play is I just drilled a hole and installed one self-tapping screw. So there's not much movement between here and here. So this way you're gonna have a shorter throw in the gears and everything is gonna be sporty and stiffer. And all you need to spend is, only money you need to spend is getting this, and it's so cheap and they're available everywhere. You want to use small amount of white lithium grease because over time it doesn't dry out, doesn't attract dirt. And then you slide this rubber protector insulator over the top. Obviously you're gonna lube the shaft a little bit so the rubber slides easier, and then this part right here plugs on top of this so it protects it from the dust. I am unable to record from the bottom of the car how to unclip this clip right here that sits on top of the transmission because you can't really see it, so I felt it with my hands, and from the bottom I went like this and unclipped it. And you got to lower the transmission just a little bit so this can go up like this, and you pull it out, and that's how you do it. And it's easy to remove. Everything is removed from the bottom. You don't have to take many things off, just basically just whatever here is on the top. And on the bottom you just need to loosen the transmission a little bit so it drops just a little bit, just those 13mm bolts. I'll show you right now. On the rear bushing, how you pop it, you put a long screwdriver right here in this slot, and you just hit the screwdriver slightly with a hammer and this will pop off. This right here. And the way you put it on, you just push it up. This is how it's after. Just perfect. Nice and tight. Here I want to show the differences. So this is the stock E39 540i. This is the stock 1998 328i. Note the plastic ball. Later model had plastic ball. And this is Z3, I believe, M3. So look at the difference here. The most important part is the distance between the ball and this part right here. See, this is the stock. So this will improve the shifting throw. Will be shorter right here. The stock E36 328i shifter. And this is a Z3M shifter. This will really give you a short throw, but this is gonna be, not a lot of people like this because the throw will be so short you won't even know what gear you're in. So this is the right choice right here for me, at least. It's not too much. It just improves everything when it comes to shifting, and they're cheap and available everywhere. You don't have to spend like $300 online for the kit or whatever. So this is going to be it for this video. If you like it, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.